In this video, I'm gonna show you how to know if you were blocked in Zangi. To determine if you've been blocked on Zangi, here are a few signs to look for. Launch open the Zangi application on your device and log in first. Go ahead and select a contact and type down a message to send it to them. Once you send the message, if it shows only one check mark but never progresses to 2 check marks, then the messages are not being delivered. That might also be a biggest sign that you might be blocked in Zangi. Another way to find out the person has blocked you or not, you can go ahead and tap on the profile picture of the contact at the top. If you can no longer see the person's profile picture, they might have been blocked you, or they never updated a profile picture for them. Another way to find out if you might have been blocked in Zangi is to attempt to place a voice or video call to the contact. Simply tap on the call button at the top left, and if the call does not connect or fails immediately, you might be blocked. Another sign to look for is to know if the contact always appears as offline even when they used to be active. They may have blocked you in that case scenario. If your messages and calls are ignored for extended periods, it could be another indication that you might have been blocked from Zangi. So these are the signs that indicates you might have been blocked by someone in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.